What's happening, everybody? It's Sean here, back today to give you guys a review of the New Balance 991 in the 20th anniversary colorway. This pair dropped last Friday on February 26th for a retail price of $265 US or $320 here in Canada. The official color for this shoe is gray and navy, and the style code is M991ANI. So as the nickname of the shoe suggests, this pair celebrates the 20th anniversary of the New Balance 991 silhouette. Originally debuted back in 2001, this pair is a celebration of the past 20 years, and as such, this pair is constructed with very high quality, made in UK. So before we go on any further, today's video is sponsored by Rose Gold & Black. Rose Gold & Black is an Australian-based jewelry and accessory company, and for my viewers only, using that link down below, you'll be able to get 25% off your entire purchase. In addition, they're offering a complimentary product with every single order right now, so when you add your item to cart and checkout, you'll be able to select which product you want to take home for free. So their products are a very easy way to spice up your outfit, and they're definitely high quality products that will last you a long time. So for example, right now I'm rocking the matte Howlite bead bracelet, so if this is something you guys would be interested in, it's definitely going to be in that link down below. So again, that's Rose Gold & Black, be sure to check them out and show them some love. So back to the shoes, so this is your classic New Balance 991 silhouette. As we dive straight into the inner workings of the shoe, the base layer is constructed using this gray colored mesh. We have this hit of reflective 3M right above this in the center, and then stitched on top on either side, we have this gray colored smooth leather. Wrapping around the outer edge of the toe box, we have this gray colored nubuck, which feels very soft and very smooth to the touch. This nubuck covers the eyelets of the shoe as well as the quarter panel as well, and then stitched on top of this we have the New Balance end logo, which is done in this reflective 3M in a combination of white and this navy color. Moving further back, so the top two eyelets are done in this gray colored TPU. Beneath this we have more of that gray mesh that we saw earlier on the toe box, and then stitched on top of this we have more of that gray leather, which has this textured look to it. So we have more nubuck wrapping around the back end of the sneaker. At the very top we have another hit of reflective 3M, and there's this oval shaped cutout in the center, and special to this pair we have the number 2001 embroidered in this navy blue color. Hugging the bottom of the back heel, we have this dark gray colored TPU heel clip to give you that added structure and stability for the back end of the sneaker. For the laces, these come standard with a flat gray colored lace, but they also give you a secondary pair of dark blue or navy blue colored laces as well. Underneath this, we have a tongue constructed out of this mesh material, and then stitched on top of this, we have this smooth dark gray leather with the New Balance end logo embroidered in the center, along with New Balance 991 embroidered at the very top, along with this semicircle outline in white. On the back side of the tongue, another nice touch is this 20th anniversary tag as well, and it shows you the years 2001 to 2021 and that the shoe is made in England. For the insole, so these come with a pretty well padded insole. It's lined in this gray textile on the top, and we have New Balance branding stamped on the heel. And if I flip the insole over to the other side, you'll see that it's pretty well padded, especially underneath the heel. So the upper of the New Balance sits atop this foam midsole, which is painted in this white color on the forefoot and this off-white sort of vintage looking color on the back heel. We have visible absorb underneath the forefoot, and it also wraps around the back heel as well, and this is New Balance's proprietary cushioning technology. Flipping the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your classic 991 outsole, and in this case this is constructed out of a combination of black and gray colored rubber. On the forefoot you see we have the New Balance end logo forming the traction pattern, and we have the New Balance word mark on the back heel. So that breaks down the look and the construction of this pair. So generally speaking, I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and for New Balance shoes I wear between a 9.5, which is a half size down, or a size 10. So usually in my past experience with the 991, I've been fine going a half size down, but for some reason I felt like this pair ran a little bit more snug. I don't know if it was just inconsistencies with the manufacturing for this pair specifically, and maybe in your experiences it's going to fit exactly the same as all your other 991s, but my left foot specifically, it has a bit more of a higher instep, and it felt like this shoe ran a little bit shorter. So in simple terms, when I was trying to lace these up, because of my taller and wider foot, it felt like I was really choking the laces to get these to fit. In comparison to my other 991s, while going with a half size down gives me a nice snug fit, it never feels uncomfortable like these ones did. So if I'm assuming this is not a matter of just inconsistencies in the factory, I'd probably recommend sticking true to size if you have wide feet. Otherwise, if you have narrow or normal width feet, half size down should be fine for you guys. To give you guys a point of comparison, I also go half size down in other New Balance models like the 992, the 993, and the 990 V5. And in comparison, I usually stick true to size in models like the 997, the 1500, and the 1530. Moving on to comfort, so despite the shoe not really fitting me the best, this shoe felt very comfy on feet. The absorb cushioning in this shoe felt very nice. It gave me a good balance between softness and support, and it wasn't overly mushy and overly soft, meaning I could definitely wear these for many hours in a day without feeling any discomfort. Finally, in terms of the quality and craftsmanship on this pair, overall this was very impressive. This being a made in UK pair, and it being advertised as the 20th anniversary sneaker, I definitely had high expectations, and the end result definitely lived up to my hopes. So from a material standpoint, it felt very nice, the nubucks felt very soft and very buttery, and the overall build on my shoe was fine. I had no issues at all on my pairs, no visible glue stains or loose stitching, nothing like that at all. With all that being said, now let's lace up these New Balance 991s and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Overall, from a colorway perspective, this is a gray New Balance shoe, and every time I review a gray New Balance sneaker, I always say the line that gray and New Balance go perfectly together. So I feel like if you're a true New Balance fan, more likely than not, you're gonna appreciate this sneaker. I know I have a ton of gray New Balance sneakers in my rotation, and if it wasn't for the sizing not really fitting me right, these guys definitely would have stayed in my collection. With that said though, unfortunately they just ran a little bit too snug for me, but I feel like if you have narrow or normal width feet, or even if you don't have a high instep, I think these would fit you perfectly. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this New Balance 991 in the 20th anniversary colorway. I know the price point is really high, but I think that the quality of the shoe was really nice, and I've kind of been desensitized to the high prices of New Balances after buying so many pairs over the past few years. So for you guys, was this a cop or a drop? And what are your thoughts on the 991 silhouette overall? If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter account at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thanks so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll catch you guys all in the next video.